Here's a very quick rundown of two courses that I've been involved with: UBC Ultimate Branding course and the Legacy Builder program. Okay, first off, I want to say both these are fantastic in their own right, depending on where you are and what you want to achieve out of your journey in the online space. Okay, let's go through it in more detail. So let's first talk about price. UBC Ultimate Branding course, one-time payment of $499, okay, but you get master resale rights. You cannot sell it for anything less than that. You cannot add any bonuses to bundle this course with anything else because they do not want to devalue it in any way. They don't need to, okay? Legacy Builder program, there's 4 levels here, okay? You start a level, which is the launch pad, at $100. Then you've got your passive daily pay blueprint, that's $300. You've got the digital mastery, which is $600, and you've got legacy builders, which is $900. Each level comes with a $29 website fee. So with the 4 levels of legacy builder, people can, by all means, join at a lower level. But if they want to upgrade, they have to do that within 30 days, and then they would get another $29 website fee for the next level website. But these, of course, come with master resale rights also. So UBC, this course comes in 5 different languages: English, French, Dutch, Portuguese, and Spanish. Whereas Legacy Builders currently only have it in English. Now, there is a reason for that only being in English, of course. The creator speaks English. And because it's a live and interactive mentorship program, it's obviously more difficult to be able to convert the Zoom calls, okay, where all the training is done, of course, into Spanish. Now, I'm sure that might come in the future, but currently, at the time of recording this, it is only in one language, and that is English. Both these courses host their community on School, SKOOL, okay? Whereas UBC also have the course itself on the School platform also, whereas Legacy Builder hosts their course on Kajabi. There are 37,000 members for UBC in their community and 35,000 for Legacy. The Legacy Builder program, they give you clear instructions on how to set up your System.io account. That's where they host all the automations, which are obviously the pre-built funnel pages and the emails that they give you to, all hosted on System.io. Whereas on UBC, they give you the training on System.io, Standstore, and Beacons. And again, they have all the pre-built funnel pages and email templates should you want to use them. But of course, both encourage you to obviously personalize these emails to your own audience. Now, let's talk about course layout, okay? So the Legacy Builder program, their course is actually created by pre-recorded Zoom calls. So because you've got to bear in mind it's a live and interactive mentorship program, what they do is how they train is they train 4 to 5 times a week. They have Zoom calls. 2 of them are tech Zoom calls, and they might host a webinar. But the training is done via a live and interactive mentorship Zoom call. These are all recorded and, of course, entered into the right category of the training course itself. So some of these Zoom calls might be anything between 1 and 2 hours long. Whereas UBC, the course is all hosted on the School platform. It's all categorized. Each video is around a few minutes in length for whatever category. Okay, I believe there's like over 270 videos, but they're all categorized in a way that's easy to follow. Now, I think UBC is the perfect course to level up your business. You can start this as a beginner, but I think it's the perfect course to actually learn the skills of high quality content creation and branding, of course, hence Ultimate Branding course. It's why I brought it into my business, is to take my business to that next level. I've been with Legacy for a while, and I know there's some great tools in there and some great lessons in there, and I've learned an awful lot. Okay, but you've got to do what's right for you. Wherever you are on your journey, if you want to reach out to me, that's absolutely fine. I would suggest also looking at the roadmap, okay? Roadmap exclusive launches in August 2024. People who are interested in getting started with digital marketing, affiliate marketing, Roadmap is a great way to go for beginners, okay? Personally, I feel that UBC is probably the level 2. Roadmap's probably level 1. UBC is probably level 2, okay? But Legacy Builder kind of covers a multitude of subjects and trainings. But of course, it's live and interactive mentorship. So with that, you really do need to be fully engaged. You need to be involved on a daily basis. You need to be attending the Zoom calls, or you're going to obviously possibly struggle to find the information to build your business, because you need to be involved. Whereas with a course like a roadmap or UBC, it's easily found. That information, you can go back to it, you can find whatever you want to do for that day and just go through it methodically, and you make a choice. I'm here if you have any questions. So both these options are in my stand store. Go check them out, okay? There's a video for UBC, and you can scroll down and you can see Legacy Builder as well. You can subscribe to that, and there's also a video for that on my thank you page as well. And if you've got any questions, by all means, you can reach out. We can book a Zoom call together and have a chat, and I'll give you the best advice for you on where you are on your journey. But please, I hope you've enjoyed this. Leave some comments below, and I'll see you next time.